Welcome to Sulzer Pumps Kunshan. I'm Anders Pettersson, I'm the head of operations here. This factory was designed and built from greenfield according to Western standards back in 2011. The factory was designed to host exactly the products we are producing today, which are submersible mixers and pumps, mainly for wastewater applications. The products produced here are identical to the ones produced in Germany, Ireland, or any other place in the world. We are using the same design, same supply chain, same assembly and test methods, and also the same quality procedures. Our factory is also certified according to ISO 9000, 14000, and OSAS 18000. We also have the approvals to produce ATEX, CSA, or FM specific products. Let's take a look at the facilities and products. Behind me here you can see a snapshot of all the products produced in the Kunshan factory. There are SPs, RWs, RCPs, XFPs, AFLX and VUPX. All these different pumps or mixers are assembled in dedicated assembly lines. They are also tested in dedicated test lines, all according to various standards and to meet the customer requirements. Behind me here is the incoming goods area. It's also a quality inspection area where we are checking all critical dimensions on all incoming parts. This is of utmost importance for us to eliminate all failures on parts before it reaches our assembly lines. So this is the cable assembly area. Here we are preparing the cable to the specific customer requirements, cutting to specific length, put on all the ferrules, the cable shoes, and make a proper seal arrangement through the cable lids. Once that is done, that sub-assembly is moved to the different assembly lines. So here is one of the assembly lines for our bigger pumps. Here we're producing P5, P6 motors. They're assembled in a vertical position, as you can see behind me. We're also performing leakage tests on the motors here and high voltage tests on the motors as well. Here we have our impeller trimming area, where we're resizing the impeller to the correct diameter to meet the customer duty points. Once that is done, we will check the balance of the impeller, and if needed, we will remove the residual unbalance of the impeller in the milling machine. Here we have our hydraulic performance test. We are measuring head, flow, power consumption, and at the end we will have a test certificate generated by a curve rendered by a 10-point reading. This is our washing and painting area. Before we paint our products, they will all be washed to make sure there's no grease or anything disturbing the adhesion of the pumps. We have two different facilities for painting, one for pumps above 1.5 ton and one with a conveyor system for pumps below 1.5 ton. This is the final packing and assembly area. Here we are finishing the pumps after the painting, putting on labels, stickers and nameplates. We're also packing the pumps according to the same procedure we have in our European factories. We also have the final quality inspection here before we dispatch our pumps. As you can see, this factory works with the highest quality, safety and equipment standards, similar to all the Sulzer factories. The management team and the entire staff here are 100% committed to deliver products of the highest quality to our customers. We also manage throughout the years to maintain an on-time delivery performance above 99%, which actually makes us best in class within the Sulzer factories. We are looking forward to receiving your orders, and we will do our utmost to exceed your expectations. Thank you very much for your attention.